Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Keyshia Kaoir and I'm back with another video today. Yeah, trying to keep it consistent and stuff. Now someone suggested I did some tutorials on my hair, like how I applied my lace wig and stuff, and that was a good idea. Thank you to the subscriber that suggested that in my previous video. So I'm definitely going to be doing that today. I'm going to show you guys how I apply my 360 lace wig using the ball cap method. Now I'm no professional when it comes on to hair, let me just make that clear, but I can help myself, and I do help myself from time to time. When I'm not in the mood, I go to the hairdresser, but most of the times I help myself. So today I'm going to be using this hair that you guys have probably already seen me in. This is a 360 lace wig from Kaoir hair. Now I definitely want to do a review on this hair because I've searched through YouTube and I realized that they really don't have much reviews on Kaoir hair. If you're not familiar with Kaoir hair, a hairline from Keyshia Kaoir. Is it Keyshia Kaoir? Kaoir hair is Keyshia Kaoir's hairline, but I realized that they've not done much reviews or any reviews at all on YouTube, so I'll definitely go ahead and do that soon. This is 30 inches. I did cut off a few inches off it, and I don't want to make this seem like a hair review because it's definitely not what it is. Now, as I was saying before, I am not a professional when it comes on to slaying your lace wigs or melting the lace in your hair or whatever, but I can help myself. And to do this today, I'm gonna be using my handy dandy got to be glue blasting free spray that if you've watched every single melting your lace into your scalp video, you've probably seen this product. I honestly think this is a really good product for helping to lay your lace wigs. I have used it. Now you can go ahead and use the bond hold glue as well along with this, but I'm gonna tell you that this alone is very effective. Now if you want to melt that lace into your scalp and you want to have the lace be on for a long time, then you can go ahead and apply this with the bonding glue, but I think this alone can do the job, honestly. And I personally, I don't like to have my wigs on for a very long time, so I don't want to have it all extra glued down on my head for no particular reason. So let's get into the video and see you guys later. Alright, so as I mentioned guys, I'm gonna be using this wig, and it came with some clips inside. I cut them out because whenever you cut out the clips, it kind of helps, I believe it helps to make the wig lay more flat on your head. So this wig actually came with an adjustable strap as well that I tied up, and I cannot seem to pull it back from I tied it, so whatever. I appreciate it though because it helps the wig to kind of stay more fitted on your head. So first I'm gonna apply the wig to my so I actually started spraying down the back part because I didn't want this video to be too long, so I already sprayed down the back part, and I'm gonna start, what the hell is happening here? And now I'm gonna start spraying down the front. This can kind of get a little messy sometimes. Ooh, it can get a little messy sometimes, especially for me, seeing that I'm not a professional. Some people can do one side first, you can do both sides. I don't really care, I just go with the flow. Now I'm gonna be using my hair dryer, and this is good for helping to, you really want this lace to be melted guys, so I'm gonna be using the hair dryer now. And this can sometimes take a while because you want to make sure that the cap is stuck on the head. This is a really sheer cap or stocking foot, so it's very sheer, so you probably didn't realize that I kind of pulled the cap over my ears, and I'm gonna explain to you in a bit why I did that, and I'm gonna just go over it again another time because I want to make sure that this cap sits perfectly on my head and it doesn't come off. Alright guys, so I'm feeling pretty confident that this is dry enough, so I'm gonna just cut off the excess, like this part. I'm gonna just cut off the excess, and I'm not gonna cut too much because usually, I don't know, I forgot to do this part, but usually I just cut a hole right here over my ears like this, and I just put my ears through this part. And I can cut off some more. I can cut it all the way up to here off my forehead. This is what it usually looks like. Now, just to seal the edges, I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more got to me. Yeah. Just to make sure those edges are laid flat. Alright, so basically this is what my head top looks like after I did all of that, and I'm gonna now go in and put my wig on. I try to make sure that the edges of, like right here, is in alignment with my ears, or this part right here. So yeah, so setting the wig, combing it out to make sure, you know, that it doesn't get in the way. This can sometimes be a little bit tedious if you're not in the mood, you know, to do it. And sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really in the mood to put my own wig on, so I don't get it done properly. I'm just gonna bend it back a little bit like this. My lid is kind of green from the dye, so I'm hot, so give me a minute. I'm gonna change the shirt. I'm just feeling really hot. All right guys, I'm back. I had to change my top. I was really hot, but now like this summer Jamaica really hot, and I don't know, ain't nothing I can do about that shit. I just had to change my top. So the wig cap is, as you can see, kind of just melted into my head at this point, and I'm just gonna go in with my got to be, and I'm just gonna spray it over this part. Some people like to use a thin layer. I like to get it in there sometimes when I want my wig to just stay on. It's coming out really, it's coming out a lot. I don't know, it's coming out a lot. And I'm just gonna go back in with my blow dryer. Until it gets a little bit sticky on this side, and then I'm just gonna just put the lace on it. Now 9 times out of 10 for me, honestly, one side is laced down, and the other side I gotta go over it. That always tends to happen. So I would recommend doing it one side at a time. And sometimes it gets a little messy for me, guys. I don't know. It's because maybe because I'm new to applying lace wigs. It just gets a little bit messy for me sometimes. I just try to hold it down so that the lace can kind of just like, you know. You can also use like a tail comb. Just kind of get it in there. It don't always go perfect for me every time, but I do know how to help myself. So I can't. Like that, guys. It's a little bit messy. So I'm not even gonna front. Most of the times I don't even glue or the back of the lace, because the only time I make effort to like glue the back of my lace is when I am doing half up, half down, but I'm not doing that right now. So I left one of the combs in this lace wig, so basically I just kind of stick it up in the corner so it have a hold. And usually for this part I just kind of comb it down. So I usually do something like that. Spray a little got to be in my toothbrush, and then I kind of just brush it in. Brush it in too. Alright, so I'm going to make some baby hairs for this wig. I'm really hot.
Alright guys, so while doing this lace or applying this lace wig, I discovered that there was something I was doing wrong, but that's not a problem. I'm learning, so I guess the next time I upload a video of me applying my wigs, I definitely will be applying that technique. So I'm pretty sure with what I learned, my lace will be applied a little bit better. Don't judge me, guys. I am definitely learning at this point.
So after I'm done with that, guys, this is basically what my hair looks like. And I'm gonna straighten it a bit so that you guys can get the full effect
Alright, so in this portion of the video, I just decided to straighten my hair a little bit. I'm not doing it to perfection. I just want the hair to look a little bit more, you know, neat so that I can show off my lace technique. And by doing this, I just make I just section it into really large portions. Usually when I want my hair to be really bone straight, I put some products in and I section it in smaller portions. If you want to see me do a video on how I straighten my hair, then you can just let me know in the comments section. But for now, I'm just putting it into really large sections because this hair is not too hard to get straightened anyway. It's really good where that is concerned. So that's what I'm doing at this point in the video.
Alright guys, so finally I completed my hair, and I must say this is how I usually slay my lace. Now, as I said earlier, I am not a professional when it comes on to melting your lace and slaying your lace and all that jeebajees, but usually when I'm done, it's good enough. I'm sorry. So usually when I'm done, it's good enough for me to wear on the road. I could definitely do like a half up, half down. Yeah, I could definitely do like a half up, half down type of style with this video, with this look. I mean, there's a lot that I could do with this look. My lighting is not good, so y'all can't see that this is kind of just like not perfect but good enough. I just wanted to make another kind of video for you guys, showing you guys how I sing my lace. I slayed alright. It can be worn anywhere, and I did do like a little straightening of the hair, but I really didn't do it to perfection because I really just wanted you to see how I put on my lace wig whenever I am about to shoot a video or whenever I'm about to go out. Now, I don't know how much longer y'all are gonna see this color because I'm about ready to change this wig. Maybe another video or so, and then this color will be gone. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you definitely like these kind of videos, leave your thumbs up. Someone can know, someone can continue. Now, I'll definitely continue to do videos of me applying my lace wig. Over time, you guys will definitely see my techniques getting better and better because I am practicing. I'm practicing makeup. I'm practicing to put on my lace wig. I'm practicing to become a YouTuber. Okay, I love when you guys comment on my videos because it is so motivating, it is so inspiring, and my last few videos have been great. You guys have been so encouraging. Thank you, me amores. I love you guys so much. Looking forward to hearing from you in the comment section, and definitely see you in my next video. Bye, me amores. Mwah. Okay, one more thing before I go, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my Vivo channel. My first music video from my first single off my EP will be released very soon. Go subscribe to my Vivo channel, Alicia Amor Vivo. The link to my Vivo channel will also be in the description box below. Subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.